Hello guys, I'm here again to show you another update on Hamster Kombat, where Hamster is giving 1 million coins daily. Okay, let's go back. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, this is our Hamster interface. Alright, first thing you do is to tap in per tap. Tap it 3 times. That will turn this to red. Okay. The task for today is Ethereum. It can work for ETH only or the full spelling of Ethereum. Okay, we'll first try ETH. If it didn't work, we'll try the full spelling of Ethereum. So using the what is called Morse code is a special letters. So I'm showing you how to do it. E is dots, just 1 tap, that is E. T is dash, that is press down for and release for like 1 second, that is T. H is tap into 4 times, 1 2 3 4, that is H. Okay, it didn't go, we continue. E is 1 tap, we are typing Ethereum. R is 1 tap, press down, 1 tap. Sorry, if you make a mistake, it will clear, you start again. We'll start with E. T, you press down. H is 4 times, 1 2 3 4. E. R is tap 1, press down, tap again, that is R. E is 1 tap. U is tap, press down. M is press down. Oh, congratulations, we crack it, take our prize. That is just it, guys. That is just it. If you just know the letters to tap, you go ahead and tap it accordingly to any words that is being given to you. Please guys, subscribe to this channel, like our videos, share our videos, click the notification bell so that you get our videos anytime we post it. Thank you guys. Bye.